Welcome to this Visit York tutorial on how to update and make the most from your pages on our site. This session will cover logging into your pages, adding keywords, changing descriptions and adding direct web links, adding images, including your social media links and videos, adding opening times, and updating your facilities. If you are a new member with us or have just had a user login set up, you should receive an email to activate your account. You can also access your login page by visiting visityork.org/login. Once logged in, this is the page you will see. Now click on DC Business Login Plus. Here you'll see a number of products you have access to edit. Select the product page you wish to edit. Next, go to Directory. This page enables you to update all aspects of your page. Let's take a look at these in more detail. The first one is business information. Here you can add up to 3 paragraphs or 500 words of information about your business. Please remember to include hyperlinks to your own site. Simply select the words you want to link from, put it in bold, and click the link button and insert link and paste in the URL, then insert. You can have up to 5 of these within your description. Further down, you will see tags. These are for keyword searches, and the most common ones are preset. However, you can free type your own. Please try to limit these to 5. For example, restaurant, pub, and cafe. Please ensure you press Save after each step. The next tab is Media. Here you can upload a maximum of 20 images, depending on your membership level. Please note that the image's size must be landscape and no larger than 1080 by 608 pixels and not exceed 2 megabytes. To add images, please select Upload Files, select the image or images you wish to add. Once uploaded, you can change the order in which they display on your page. And after this, click Save. The next section is Categories. Here you can select a global category, which is an overarching category that pulls similar products together. The second one is Business Category. Simply find the relevant section and select. Please note you can only select a maximum of 3. So we'll choose Fish and Chips, and Pubs and Bars. Now we'll move on to contact information, which will include your opening hours. The opening hours can be free typed in, then you can fill in the relevant contact information underneath. Once done, click Save. The next tab covers social media. Here you can add all your social media links by pasting in your URL for the relevant channels. And you can also add a link to your YouTube channel at the bottom. Once added, click Save. In Facilities, you can simply add bullet points to the facilities you have at your premises. Try to limit them to a couple of words. You can also include accessibility notes. Once added, click Save. One of the last sections is Business Map, where you can pinpoint exactly where your business is located if you wish to do so. Simply type in your address and select the correct one from the drop-down. The drop pin should be in the correct area, however, this can be moved. Once it's in the right area, scroll down and click Save. Only accommodation providers need to access the Accommodation tab.